For the same power, two-stroke engine is simple in design and lighter in construction, but the four-stroke engines are heavier in construction. The two-stroke engines uniform torque is obtained since there is one power stroke in one revolution of the crankshaft. Therefore, a lighter flywheel can be used. But for four-stroke engines, there is one power stroke in two revolutions of the crankshaft, and therefore heavier flywheel is needed for balancing. In two-stroke engines, no valves are provided, hence a two-stroke engine can be easily reversed, but a four-stroke engine cannot be easily reversed due to the presence of valves. The starting of a two-stroke cycle engine is easy, but the starting of a four-stroke engine is not as easy as two-stroke engines. For two-stroke engines, wear and tear of the moving parts is more since there is one power stroke in one revolution of the crankshaft, but for four-stroke it is comparatively less. In case of two-stroke engines, some of the fuel or unburnt gas may escape with exhaust gases, hence the fuel consumption is more. But for four-stroke engines, fuel cannot escape with exhaust gases, hence fuel consumption is less. The two-stroke engines gives greater noise due to sudden releasing of exhaust gases, but there is less noise in case of four-stroke engine because the exhaust gases are released in a separate stroke. In case of two-stroke engine, exhaust port is open only for a short time, hence scavenging, that is removal of exhaust gases, is poor. But in case of four-stroke engine, there is a separate exhaust stroke, hence scavenging is better. In two-stroke engines, poor scavenging leads to mixing of fresh charge with exhaust gases. This results in poor performance, slow running and poor efficiency. But the four-stroke engines, the better scavenging results in better performance and high efficiency.